Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Porsche 911. This two-door coupe has a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter H6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Porsche is a great value with less than 11,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include Bluetooth, automatic climate control, MP3 player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, DVD player, and power windows.